Welcome back to Shantiniketan Academy, and today's subject is English. Topic is parts of speech. And in today's topic, which is parts of speech, we will learn about its subtopic, that is conjunction. So before starting with conjunction, we have completed six subtopics, which were noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, and prepositions. And now today we will start with conjunction. So what is conjunction? It is a word that joins phrase, words, or sentences together. Now if I give you an example, like to explain how it is, you have seen Indian TV serials, right? Usme matlab how they do, like that daughter-in-law, the bahu of the family joins or tries to joins the entire family. Many mishaps happens and all. The situation is like sometimes they get apart and she has to do all the work, how to join them back. And it's like her sacrifices, her the way of talking and everything, again it joins the whole family together. You can say that is conjunction. A funny live example I have given you, like it is joining or two words or sentences which were far apart from each other, so that is conjunctions. Or we can say ghar ki bahu. And in short, if I want to give you a short explanation, it is called Bharat Milap 2. Right? Bharat Milap, like two people are coming and hugging each other. So, yes, conjunctions. Now, I will give you an example for sentences like Ria and Tina are friends. So, here, Ria and Tina are two different people. They are friends. So how to explain it in the sentence? That and word is used to connect both the words or both the people. And word is used to explain them who are there. So Ria and Tina are friends. I was tired, but I finished my homework. So here there are two sentences, right? I was tired. If I remove but from here, like I was tired, I finished my homework. Does it sound good? क्या आपको वो अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के कि एक सेंटेंस ऐसा है, एक सेंटेंस दोनों अधूरे लग रहे हैं? तो अधूरे लोगों को जोड़ना या अधूरे सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ना, वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस को जोड़ना ही कंजंक्शन है. घर की बहू, प्लीज समझो. सो आई वॉज टायर्ड. So if I add but here, that sentence gets a meaning. Okay, I was tired, but I finished my homework. Here the third sentence is, you can have tea or coffee. So we can say these are phrases like you can have tea or coffee. Here we are giving an option here, right? So if I say you can have tea, coffee, how it sounds? Tea, coffee? We can take both, right? We can take both. So we have to add or here so that the person who is listening will understand what we are trying to say. Okay. So now here we can say you can have tea or coffee. So now we will now move back or move to the types of conjunction. Yeah. So first one is coordinating conjunctions, which join two words or sentences of equal importance, which have equal importance. Like both the sentences are equally light in weight in a particular speech or low in weight. For example, so there are common words like for, and, nor, but, or, yes, yet. Sorry, it's yet. Y-E-T, yet, or so. Okay, so what are the conjunctions, we will come to know about we will come through this following examples. So first one is and. रवि और मोहन क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हिंदी का और एंड इंग्लिश का एंड आएगा. जैसे रवि एंड मोहन प्ले क्रिकेट. नाउ बट वो गरीब है मगर ईमानदार है. तो मगर जो शब्द है वो दोनों को जोड़ रहा है. In the same way, if I use but here in the particular sentence, she is poor but honest. Or, do you want tea or coffee? तुम्हें चाय चाहिए या कॉफी चाहिए? So, or word will show or give you an option about it. Yet, he is rich yet unhappy. If I say a contradictory statement, right? She is poor but happy. It's contradictory. So yet is used for contradictory words or statements. And so word. It was raining, so we stayed home, to give a reason. Understood? To give a reason we use so. To add more, one or more person, place, thing or sentences we use and. For contradictory we use but or yet. For giving options we use or. And to give a gift or to say no about it, that we don't have anything, so we use for or not, for positive and negative words. Okay, so now we will move to another type, that is, so subordinating conjunction is to join a dependent clause to an independent clause. So what are clauses? Clauses is a different chapter in grammar which we will learn afterwards, which we will learn in further lectures. Now, to understand it in short, what are dependent clause and independent clause, I will say that one sentence who directly doesn't need any help, okay, to complete its meaning. But a dependent clause need a help to complete its meaning. It's just a simple explanation. We will learn it more deeply, okay, in other lectures. So now what are the common words in subordinating conjunctions? These are because, although, if, when and since. So if I give you an example, like since you are here, help me. अभी तुम यहाँ हो तो मेरी help करो. Now here if you will come to know, if I remove the first word since, how it will sound? You are here, help me, or you are here, help me. Is it sounds good? Please write down in the comment section. Is it sounds good? No, it doesn't. That's why the word since is joined to help that dependent clause to complete the sentence or give its meaning for an independent clause too. To join both of them to give a meaning to that sentence. Since you are here, help me. I was sleeping when he called. Now, I was sleeping is an independent clause or independent sentence. When he called. Now he called, when he, why he called, where he called. We don't know. It's an, डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज मतलब उसको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है जिससे उस दो वर्ड ही कॉल्ड को, जो वर्ड है उसको हेल्प मिले. सो आई वॉज स्लीपिंग, यहाँ पे व्हेन का यूज़ हुआ है ताकि वो सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट कर सके, उसे एक मीनिंग दे सके. सो आई वॉज स्लीपिंग व्हेन ही कॉल्ड. नाउ ऑल्दो इट वॉज रेनिंग वी प्लेड. Now if I remove although, as I said, it was raining, we played. How it sounds? Anybody will tell me in the comment section? Okay. Although it was raining, we played. So here we played, where we played, why we played, how we played, we don't know. It was raining, still it's a sentence, but it's not completing it or not giving it a meaning. That's why although is being used. So here if I say the whole sentence again, you will get the meaning of that, and this becomes a subordinating conjunction. Although it was raining, we played. Now if I give you example for because, I stayed at home because I was sick. Now it giving us a reason. Now if I say I stayed at home, why you stayed at home? If I say I was sick, I stayed at home, does it sounds good? No. So to complete these two dependent sentences or independent clauses, I gave the word because. I stayed at home because I was sick. Now if I tell you about if you study, you will pass. Now if you study, what will happen? You will pass is an independent clause. Now what will happen? You study, you will pass. So you study is a dependent clause and you will pass is an independent sentence. So to join both this and to give a meaning, if is being used. If you study, you will pass. So now we will move to the third one, that is correlative conjunctions. So now what are correlative conjunctions? These usually work in pairs. A common example if I give you, what is correlative conjunction? Like husband and wife. They are life partners. They work in pairs. Whatever will happen, they will have a team. They will work in pairs. They will not leave each other. So that is can be used in correlative conjunctions too. How? I will tell you. Now, here there are common words. Either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, whether and or. So these are the words either or. Okay, so these words will be there automatically in that particular sentence. If either is there, or will come. If neither is there, nor will come. Like husband is there to an extent, at many places wives also come. Like in a family function. Majorly, if husband goes to any family function, wife will join the husband. So the same way, if either is there in a particular sentence, or will also come. And same thing with wife also. If wife goes to a particular function, husband will also join to that function. Right? So here, I will give you examples for that. Now, if we will look at examples both and first. Both Dia and Sia dance well. So to explain Dia and Sia, we can use both. Both are there in the same field. Both are there in the same class. Both are there in the same, age, if I say. So what we will do? We will say both Dia and Sia dance well, to say a compliment about both. Now, here I will use not only but also as an example. She is not only smart but also kind. वो सिर्फ smart नहीं, kind भी है. We use not only and but also together to explain how smart and kind she is. Right? Now, third one is whether or. ये मेरी दिल की बात है actually. I do not know whether to see this lecture or not. Many people think that. बुरा लगता है, दिल से बुरा लगता है. I do not know whether to see this lecture or not. So whether and or. If whether is there, or will also automatically come. So now I will give you either or and either nor's example. Like either or, either Rahul or Aman will win. Now there is a competition between Rahul and Aman. So here, if I want to, say who will win, either Rahul or Aman will win. Now not only but all, sorry, neither and nor. So the second one, here neither tea nor coffee is available. When nothing is available, what we will do? Neither tea or nor coffee is available. Only छाछ is available. Right? ना चाय है ना कॉफी है, सिर्फ छाछ है. इसीलिए here neither tea nor coffee is available. So here both are interlinked with each other. These words are interlinked, and like husband and wife are interlinked. Understood? Okay, now we will move further to some important rules and uses of conjunctions. Now, what are uses of conjunctions? Uses means where to use conjunctions, like to join words. Sam and Tom are brothers. So here two words are joined, right? Sam and Tom. Joining phrases. She likes singing and dancing. About her, they are describing something. So that are phrases. She likes singing and dancing. Now joining sentence. I want to go, but I was late. So here but is used to join two sentences. Now we will move to important rules. So the rule number 1 is use and to add information. Now she bought apples and bananas. Here information is added. So and is used to add and is used to add information. Use but to show contrast. She is weak but brave. To give a contrast, weak and brave are both opposite words. To show contrast in the same sentence, but is used. So you have to use but. Use or to show choice. Wear the red shirt or the blue one, to give choice or to give options. Okay. Use because to show reason. We stayed inside because it was raining. So whenever you see conjunctions, you have to use these words mostly in the sentences, like and, but, or, and because. Now we will move to common conjunction words which are basically used in sentences, and also you will get these in exam very often. So these are and, but, or, so, because, although, if, when, since, while, before, after, either or, neither nor, both, and, etc. So these are the common conjunction words which are being used, and you will be able to see in the exams too. Okay. So yes, this is the end of this chapter. And also, if you like our video, if you enjoyed this video while learning, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, write down your thoughts or your doubts in the comment section so that we can solve it in the next lecture. As I said, the first 10 to 15 minutes we will devote it to your doubt solving session only. But as I can see, nobody is interested yet. But if you still feel that you want to learn from us, please write down your comments so that we will be able to understand. And also, please share this video to as much people as possible, because every Indian needs to learn and every Indian has to learn. Thank you so much.